welcome back to A Handful of Daisies DIY. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining us today. On my channel, we do thrift flips, upcycled furniture, and we have a special coming in November. Sure it'll go past November, but we purchased a new travel trailer and we'll be redoing the whole inside. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on that series. In today's video, I hit up a few yard sales this morning. There were a couple in our area, and I ended up getting a lot of good stuff this morning. So I thought I'd show you what I picked up. So first of all, I got this. It's just the solid wood. It's got this really nice cottagecore picture. Not sure yet what I'm going to do with it. I'll probably paint it. I may take the picture off. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens with that. And that was only $1. The next thing I got was this really cute rustic picture. The frame is wood. I'm not sure I'm going to do anything to this. I like it how it is, but you never know. We do tend to change everything, so we'll see what happens with that one. That one was $4. Also got this. It's the pressed tin. I really like that. I think I'll paint the outside. It was $4. Then I picked up these. They are cement. They're really heavy. I got 3 of them for $5. So I'll probably paint these and then distress them a little bit. But they are really heavy. Then I picked up 2 of these shelves. They are home interior shelves, so I'll probably just paint these and distress them a little. I did pick up 2, and they were $5 for both. And then I love this tin. It is a metal tin, and it was $1. So I don't think I need to do anything with this. I'll just keep it as is. I may put a candle in the middle and maybe make a Christmas decoration out of it. I really like it. I may end up keeping it myself. Then I picked up these cookbook holders. I thought this one was really cute. It was $3, and it is metal, and it does have the spoon and the fork. So I'll probably clean these up really well. I may paint these and distress them a little, just to make them a little bit more farmhouse. And I got this one as well. It does have a place for the cookbook to set, or you could put a picture in here. And this one was $3 as well. And then I loved this wall pocket. thought it was really cute. I'll probably paint that and distress some of this. I think I paid, I'm not sure what happened to the sticker of this one, but I think I paid $3 for this one. And then I got these two. I know we're almost out of the fall season. We're starting to do Christmas stuff now, but I just love these. And they were $1 a piece. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these pieces. Which ones would you have picked up? Then I have these. I'm not sure how well you can see these. I think they're like suitcase holders. I think what I'm going to do with these, and I do have two of these. I think I'm going to keep these and put a top on them and make end tables out of them. They're really light, and I think they will work really well in our trailer beside the beds. So stay tuned for that. Now that's all of the small stuff I have. We're going to have to go down to the garage to see the furniture pieces I picked up. So let's go. Here's the first piece I picked up. Just this small little table. I did pay $15 for it, which is more than normally I would pay for this size table, but it was in really good shape, except for just one spot on the top. There was a little water damage, so I'll have to fix that. And the next table, I just love this table. It's not round, it's oval, and it has all those details on the top and on the bottom of the legs as well. So I think once I paint this up and distress it a little bit, it's going to be beautiful. It does also flip over, which is very unique. Then I have these chairs. There's 4 of these chairs. I ended up not paying anything for these. They went ahead and just gave them to me. Not sure yet what I'm going to do with those, but I'm sure we'll figure something out. The next piece is this dresser. It needs a lot of love. It's very scratched up, very old, but it is all wood, solid wood. So that's good. And I only paid $10 for it. The last piece is this coffee table. It's in really good shape, so there's not a lot I have to do to this. It has just a few scratches here and there. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to paint this or just leave it the wood, but we'll see. Thanks so much for joining me today. Don't forget about our series coming up next month on the camper renovation. I'm excited to get started on that. I've already started filming. So I think that's going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of work, but I'm excited to get started. Also, you'll find me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our DIY family so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. I'll see you next week for another DIY.